When we are talking about an interview process, we are the most experienced with interviewing. Our clients are probably second most, and our candidates, unless they are absolutely serial job changers, probably don't interview as many times in a given year as their hiring manager does. So the least experienced person in the room is who we're talking about prepping.
Right. They have the least experience interviewing. Now, I personally am of the belief that the time invested in prepping your candidate is directly proportionate to your interview to offer ratio. So what that means is if I don't prep my candidate has a much lower likelihood of getting an offer. The more time we spend prepping, the better the candidate does on the interview.